In this video, I am featuring this 4-bedroom house and take a tour of the inside of this house to give you an insight of what's happening. This is my featured 4-bedroom house. Before we get started, do remember to subscribe. Highly appreciate it. Encourage me to do more videos like this. Yeah, this is my featured 4-bedroom house. Was neatly and properly designed. Consists of a veranda or front porch, whatever you know it as. A kitchen and living, dining, bathroom. See an outside view of this 4-bedroom house. Tell me what you think. Is this was neatly designed or what? Let me know. Leave your comments. So we're taking a look on the inside. So this is the front, the veranda, the entrance. Some of you may know it as the front porch. This is the inside view. This is the first bedroom, which is a 12 by 12 bedroom. As you can see, closed closet, a king size bed, a dresser, very simple and easy. Then this is the living room with 2-piece sofa, a TV stand or shelf. This is a look at the passage or the walkway, whatever you know it as. We have a lazy boy here. Just giving you a little view what the inside is like. This is the second bedroom, which is the next 12 by 12. Same setting with different color walls. The wall color different. Tell me what you think. Is this a good job? Beautiful design? Let me know. This is a bathroom. So this is a simple living. This is how we live on the island, Jamaican. Simple house, many rooms. This is the 3rd bedroom, 12 by 12 again. Oh, the bathroom was, I didn't get the specs of the bathroom. The bathroom was 10 by 8. This bedroom now is 12 by 12 feet. Yeah, when you talk about women feet, some people use meter. I'm not good at the meter, so this is feet. So this is the next 12 by 12. This is the 3rd bedroom. This one is in green, different color. And this is the kitchen. The living, the kitchen and the dining in one. Not really getting a full view, but you know, that's the inside of what's happening. So this is the kitchen. If this video is interesting or educational, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. Yeah, so this is an insight of the inside of this 4-bedroom house, and you can get a look at the 3D view. So this is a full 3D view, overview. So I just try to put some information together. Maybe people are interested in this information, some may not, but I just do what I can. So you can just take a look through this video, see if you like it or not. I appreciate it still.